to 17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
All right then. So since we have a lot of long bean,
yeah, the long beans are growing like overnight.
So
it's like
gonna,
Jack and the Beanstalk or something.
We're gonna make something long bean with tempe, black eyed peas tempeh. Okay.
So if people have been kind of watching our videos,
Yeah.
we mentioned we have a local company in Miami that makes our tempeh.
Yeah.
It's not soy.
It's
if you're familiar with tempeh, it's traditionally a soy product.
Yeah.
But this company is actually doing different types of beans for us, and today we're going to do the black eyed pea.
It's called bee cultured tempeh.
Yes.
Bee cultured
yes.
tempeh.
They supply us at the restaurant, and people are really enjoying these different types of tempehs. Non-soy, all bean, natural beans, and they're really good. You want me to take it out of the bag?
Yes. So we're gonna make tempeh with, how do I say? It's not soup, but it's kind of soupy. But we're gonna use coconut milk. Okay.
Okay.
And
So tempeh is really easy to work with. We do freeze it because it lasts a lot longer than the fresh, but it's really just beans and the culture, whatever they use to ferment it. So
okay, so now
nice. All right, so
the bean.
the bean.
Yeah.
All right.
But you need to cut. In Indonesia, we mix this with dry fish.
Oh yeah.
We mix with the dry fish, but we're gonna make vegan today. You wanna mix with the dry fish or not?
Yeah.
Okay, then
I mean,
we're gonna mix
you know, vegans will just leave it out.
Yeah.
So we just pan fry the tempeh. It doesn't have to be deep fried or anything like that.
Yeah.
So if you want to use less oil, but again, we use
Coconut oil.
coconut oil, all that came from my little country background in Virginia. Should I put a little bit more oil in here and soaked it up?
No.
Just a little bit?
Okay. No, because we're gonna put the coconut oil, coconut milk, so
Oh,
you
yeah,
don't
yeah.
need oil anymore because this is.
Oh, that's true.
Because
See, that's why he's a cook and I'm not.
Okay, here
He's just kind of guiding me
I'm
along.
gonna put the things. Yeah.
All right, so we are using bumbu kuning
Yep.
in this one, and I always like deeper flavors. So do you mind if I
spoon,
3?
because we're gonna put. Hold a second. Yeah.
So I use 3 spoons of the bumbu kuning. Should I cut it down a little bit?
Yeah.
I always have shit flying everywhere.
And then put your
What?
coconut oil.
Coconut milk?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right, it's smelling so good already just with the coconut milk.
Someone is calling you.
Okay,
Okay, so now put the long bean.
long bean. Do you want me to turn up the heat a little bit more?
Don't cover the camera when you turn off the long
Oops. Camera etiquette, forgot.
bean. Yeah.
Should I turn up the heat a little bit?
Yeah, turn up. I'm gonna cook the fish now. You can fry the fish or you can just okay, you're good. Okay, put this one back here. And then just cut the fish. That's it. Put the fish down, let them cook. If you wanna get more yellow, you can put turmeric. With kind of curries look, but it's not curry.
Okay.
Eat.
So
This is your. Do you want to use a bigger spoon?
I think I'm gonna have to because I need to try to get a little bit of everything on this spoon.
So what about the saltiness? Do you?
No, I think it's perfect.
Okay, for you guys outside there who wanna make a tempeh, so we are not using the vegan one now. But if you are vegan, so just don't
put the fish. Yeah. But if you want that a little bit of a saltiness to it,
Yeah.
use the umami or
just kosher salt.
or kosher salt.
Try that, please.
I'm trying to get just a little bit of everything all at once.
So good.
I personally love the addition of the dried fish.
Yeah.
It just adds this little hint
Yeah.
of a kind of seafoody taste.
I like seafood.
It's just nice and the sauce is just nice and creamy.
Or if you want to put shrimp too, that's fine.
Yeah.
Anything seafood, you can put it here.
Not lentil. We use black eyed pea. Tempeh.
The fish, take a look at that.
I love getting a little bit of everything in this spoon. I might actually have to go to a serving spoon that's quite larger, just so I can, and I'm sure when it comes to food, I can get it all in my mouth.
The fish totally changed the.
Yeah. As you can see, Avi's just coming up with stuff that we've got here. Oh, let's put this in it. Let's put that in it. We don't have a big book of recipes here that we're using as a guide. We're using stuff that we've, grown in our front yard, our tiny little front yard, and it's producing like, I can't even imagine. Had no idea. We've got fresh tempeh. And then he added the coconut milk, our bumbu kuning, and the dried fish that he burned a little bit. Phenomenal. I can't stop eating this.
Okay.
I gotta stop eating.
Thank you guys.
Share, subscribe,
Like.
Go to Krakatoa Cuisine.com, 17,000 flavors of Indonesia, or 17,000 flavors.cooking. Check out our seasonings, check out our menu at the restaurant, see what we're doing. Reminder, in a week,
7 days from now.
7 days from now, we'll be on Triple D with Guy Fieri. We're very excited about that.
Food Network channel.
Food Network channel,
It's
yes.
gonna be in July 10th, 9 p.m. Central.
Yes. So on the East Coast, I believe that's 10 o'clock. So, thank you guys for watching.
And then
I'm gonna keep eating here.
stay healthy out there and make the world tastier with
17,000 flavors of Indonesia.